Giselle, and today we're going to be teaching everybody how to conjugate AR, ER, and IR verbs. So first off, we gotta discuss what that means. Verbs are action words like to study, estar, to eat, comer, and to live, vivar. We conjugate verbs to show the subject pronoun, which is who the sentence is talking about. Words like I, you, they, and we are all subject pronouns. Conjugating is when we take a verb and change the endings to fit the subject pronoun. And we do so by first picking what we're going to talk about. In this case, we're going to say, I draw.
To say to draw in Spanish, you would use the verb dibujar. Once you pick the verb, you get your handy dandy conjunction chart. This is the conjunction chart. The left side is singular verbs while the right side are plural. Since we are doing I draw, we would use the Spanish word for I, which is yo. This is when things get fun. Now we have yo dibujar, but we need to conjugate the word now. We do so by getting rid of the AR at the end of the word, and we have yo dibuj. Sounds weird though, right? Well, remember the chart we had again? Well, we bring that chart back.
So since we decided we were going to use the yo form, we would replace the AR with an O. So now our sentence is yo dibujo. That's how AR verbs are conjugated. Now you're probably wondering about the other verbs, right? Well, that's easy. See, we brought back the chart? Well, that's because we're using it again. It's the same chart for all the verbs, but they change very slightly. ER verbs are similar to AR verbs with the endings O, S, A, emos, and N. And IR verbs are even closer to ER. Their endings are O, S, S, emos, and N. A good ER verb would be comer, which means to eat. Now, if we were going to say we eat, our first step would be to choose our subject pronoun, which in this case would be nosotros. Since our word is we would have to conjugate. We take comer and drop the ER with com, and the nosotros form says to add emos at the end of the word. Our final sentence is nosotros comimos.
Conjugating IR verbs is a bit different. They're almost identical to ER verbs, except in the neutrals form. So how do we know when to use ER forms? Well, it's simple with a tool called the boot. The yellow words are shaped of a boot, and those are the forms stay in the same ER verbs. So if we're conjugating viver, which means to live, we will use ER. Endings for I live, you live, he, she, it, and you form a live, and they and y'all live. Okay, that's all. That was a lot. But now you know how to conjugate. Yay!
The end.
Like that.